This video shows how to replace the internal cooling fan on an ODP2 IP66 outdoor frame size 2 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the control cover, use a Posi 2 screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws and lift the cover away. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, remove the 4 cover screws and earth tab screw. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. The cover can now be lifted away from the heatsink. The earth cable needs to be disconnected by pulling the cable away from the earth tab. To disconnect the internal fan lead, pull it away from the fan connector. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the power board by pushing the 2 tabs back and pulling the cable away. To remove the internal cooling fan from the PCB, use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. The torque setting is 1 Nm. Replace the internal cooling fan using the parts supplied in the Preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.